Sheikh, when watching videos of other scholars that, specifically you, when watching your lectures, I always see that you make examples of يعني, non-Muslim celebrities, or I think you, if I'm understood correctly, I think maybe make jokes about them such as Justin Bieber, The Rock, John Cena, and whatnot. What I'm confused about is how would that not be backbiting? Because I'm confused about what's backbiting and not. I'd just like to know the difference, Sheikh. Thank you.
First of all, Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Quran, لا يغتب بعضكم بعضا. You should not backbite one another. And the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam mentioned that الغيبة ذكرك أخاك بما يكره, is mentioning your brother with what he hates. So backbiting Muslims is a sin. Backbiting non-Muslims is not, but it is inappropriate. And when I mention what you've mentioned, celebrities' names that are non-Muslims, usually I'm addressing a crowd and trying my level best to get close to that crowd by relating to what they see, what they're impressed of, what some of them may take as a role model. And this is why I mention their names, so that I would make it approximate to their understanding and maybe open their eyes. Not that we envy them, a'udhu billah, or we think of highly of them. And this is not backbiting in the sense that I'm not talking about how handsome or how beautiful or how ugly or how short or big or bad they are. I'm talking about the number of celebrities, the number of people who follow them. So when I talk about XYZ, why is he being followed by a gazillion million Muslim, for example? Isn't this something bad, indicating that their Islam is wrong? That is all. And I apologize if it hurts your feeling that I may backbite them.